Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about this product. The product name you can see on your screen, the pocket wand. Okay, this is manufactured, you can buy Hello Cake. So you should buy this product or not. Does it really good for you? Does it really worth it? Does it really safe? So in this video we will cover lots of information, what are the features and all. Okay, so first of all, if you are going to buy this product, you need to keep something in your mind. Okay, the precautions, we will also discuss about the precautions. First thing, it will comes with 120-minute charging time, you guys backup time, and 45-minute usage on high speed and 60-minute usage on low speed. It means it will take approx 2 hours to get full charge, and it will last up to 45 minutes. Okay, and this product is almost waterproof, but it is recommended, you should not use this product in your bathtub, in your shower, in your pool. Okay, so basically this is pocket wand. Basically there are so many massagers available in the market, but the best part of this product is it comes with 6 type of vibration in a very small size. Okay, the size, the compact size is the plus point of this product. Okay, as you know very well. Okay, now if we talk about what are the main features, the main feature is 6 vibration modes, and all modes is really good, and all modes are really helpful. You can use this product and you can enjoy your happy moments. Okay, and this product is easy to use, easy to travel, and easy to use, and easy to use, you can say easy to charge. There are so many benefits. So the best thing you can do, you can buy this product and you can use it, but prolonged use is not recommended, because if you use this product consistently, or you can continuously, then it will become heated, and if it will heat, then it may harm your body. So what you can do, if product is heated, then you need to stop and you need to allow it cool down before next use. Okay, so you need to keep this thing in your mind and you can use this product. This product is really amazing. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And the main question, is this latex free? Yes, this product is totally latex free. Okay, so bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.